In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Odometer in Expensify. This is really helpful if you drive for work and want to get reimbursed accurately for your mileage without having to do the math yourself. We'll walk through the whole process, step by step, so you can confidently log your next trip. First, open Expensify in your web browser and look at the left-hand side of the screen. In the navigation area, you'll see a plus icon. This is your main button for adding new items. From any page in the web app, go ahead and click that plus icon. You don't need to be on a specific report or expense page for this to work. The plus button is always available as your starting point. After you click the plus icon, a menu will appear with different options for creating expenses. From this menu, choose the option labeled Track Distance. This tells Expensify that you're not uploading a receipt or a regular expense, but instead recording mileage for a trip you've taken. Next, you'll choose how you want to track that distance. Select the odometer option. This method is ideal if you know the starting and ending readings from your vehicle's odometer. In the first field, type in the odometer value at the start of your trip. In the second field, enter the odometer value at the end of your trip. Once you've added both numbers, Expensify will automatically calculate the total distance you traveled. You don't have to subtract or convert anything yourself. It does all that in the background. Now it's time to complete the expense details so it's ready for reimbursement. Make sure you select yourself as the recipient, since you're the one who will be reimbursed for the mileage. Then fill in any required fields such as the category. For example, you might categorize it as travel or mileage, depending on how your company organizes expenses. It's also a good idea to add a brief description, like the client you visited or the purpose of the trip, so it's clear later on. Once everything looks correct, click either Next or Create Expense, depending on what you see. This will finalize the entry and save your odometer-based mileage expense in Expensify. And that's it. You've successfully used the odometer feature to track your distance and create a clean, accurate mileage expense.